Can an LLC? Yes, almost any type of business can form an LLC as long as it meets state requirements. An LLC, limited liability company, is a flexible business structure that separates your personal assets from your business, giving you liability protection. You can form an LLC for a wide variety of purposes, from running a restaurant, offering professional services, selling products online, investing in real estate, or even holding intellectual property. Some businesses, like banks and insurance companies, may not be allowed to form LLCs, but most small and medium-sized businesses can. Forming an LLC usually involves filing articles of organization with your state, paying a filing fee, and creating an operating agreement. Once approved, the LLC becomes its own legal entity. Zen Business can help you form your LLC quickly and handle the paperwork so your business is protected from the start. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.